Imagine a creature in the deep ocean that can not only emit light from its body, but also produce a strange, powerful sound capable of startling divers or even ships from miles away. Scientists still have no idea what this creature really is. This is the creature that makes the deep ocean one of the most mysterious and astonishing places on Earth. In this video, we will reveal 10 unbelievable facts about the deep ocean, facts so incredible that imagining them seems almost impossible. If you are ready, join us on this journey. The first astonishing fact is about creatures living in total darkness. Creatures like anglerfish can produce bioluminescent light. This light is used not only to lure prey, but also to communicate with other members of their species. Imagine being in total darkness, and suddenly a creature lights up to hunt or defend itself. The water pressure in these depths is thousands of times greater than at the surface, and temperatures are near freezing. Yet these creatures have thrived for thousands of years. Some anglerfish can grow over a meter long, and their glowing lure can be as bright as a small flashlight, enough to attract prey from several meters away. Observing these creatures is like entering a completely alien world, where every shadow may hide a predator or a glowing organism. The second fact is the mysterious bloop sound recorded in 1997. This extremely powerful sound traveled thousands of kilometers, and no known creature could produce it. Scientists are still trying to determine its origin. Some theories suggest massive ice movements or gigantic underwater phenomena, while others propose it might come from an enormous, undiscovered creature. Imagine being deep underwater, surrounded by pitch-black ocean, and suddenly hearing this mysterious sound resonate through the water. The eerie vibration could ripple through a submarine, or even through the bones of deep-sea creatures, hinting at forces beyond human understanding. The third fact, hydrothermal vents, or black smokers, create entirely unique ecosystems. Creatures living around these vents survive without sunlight, drawing energy from chemicals in the hot water. Imagine an ecosystem thriving without sunlight, where organisms endure extreme heat and pressure. Tube worms can grow up to 2 meters long, and colonies of tiny shrimp cluster near vents, feeding on bacteria that convert chemicals into energy. The contrast between the dark depths and small pockets of glowing life creates a scene that is both otherworldly and mesmerizing. The fourth fact is the giant squid, which can reach lengths of up to 13 meters. Its long, powerful tentacles are perfectly adapted for hunting and defense. For centuries, this creature lived in unexplored depths, and only fragments or remains have ever reached the surface. Some squids have eyes the size of dinner plates, able to detect faint light from bioluminescent prey hundreds of meters away. Encountering a giant squid, even hypothetically, reminds us of the sheer scale and mystery of life in the ocean's depths. The fifth fact is that microplastics have reached the ocean's deepest parts. Even in the most remote locations, tiny plastic particles are found, entering the food chain and threatening marine life. This proves that human activity has affected even the farthest, darkest parts of our planet, impacting deep-sea ecosystems. Scientists have discovered microplastics clinging to deep-sea creatures like amphipods, tiny crustaceans that survive under extreme pressure, showing just how far our waste has traveled. The sixth fact involves underwater volcanoes. There are over 80,000 active volcanoes on the ocean floor, some still undiscovered. Their eruptions can change water currents, temperature, and local ecosystems. Imagine an underwater eruption reshaping an entire habitat and forcing its inhabitants to adapt rapidly. Some eruptions can create new mineral-rich environments supporting specialized life, while others can devastate entire communities, demonstrating the incredible dynamism of the ocean floor. The seventh fact is transparent creatures. Many deep-sea animals are nearly invisible, using transparency to hide from predators. Some can adjust their movements to match the surrounding water, disappearing in a way that is both fascinating and eerie. Some species of jellyfish, for example, have delicate see-through bodies that shimmer in faint bioluminescent light, making them appear ghost-like as they drift silently through the water. The eighth fact concerns mysterious rocks and crystals on the ocean floor. Some have strange geometric shapes, and their origins remain unknown. Imagine discovering a large crystal on the ocean floor with a structure unlike anything observed before. Scientists study these formations to understand Earth's geological history and the chemical reactions occurring under extreme pressure and temperature. The ninth fact takes us to the deepest ocean trenches, such as the Mariana Trench, which plunges nearly 11 kilometers below sea level. These trenches are among the most extreme environments on Earth, with crushing pressures, near-freezing temperatures, and complete darkness. Despite these harsh conditions, life exists here. Strange, hardy organisms, such as giant amoebas, amphipods, and certain fish, have adapted to survive. Imagine a submersible descending into this abyss, the surrounding water feeling almost solid due to the immense pressure, while unseen creatures glide silently past. The 10th fact is about the bizarre behaviors of deep-sea creatures. Some fish have hinged jaws that can open wide to swallow prey larger than themselves. Others, like the gulper eel, can expand their stomachs to enormous sizes to accommodate rare meals. Certain species communicate through bioluminescent flashes in complex patterns, almost like a coded language. Imagine witnessing a display of lights from dozens of creatures in complete darkness, each flash conveying information to others, all while the crushing pressure and freezing temperatures threaten any unadapted being. Additionally, the deep ocean is home to predators and scavengers with extreme adaptations. Some crustaceans can survive without food for months, while others detect the faintest vibrations to locate prey. This incredible specialization allows species to survive in an environment where energy is scarce and conditions are extreme. The diversity of life forms, from transparent fish to massive squids, shows the remarkable resilience and ingenuity of evolution. Hydrothermal vent communities continue to astonish scientists. These vents release minerals that support bacteria, which in turn feed larger organisms. Entire ecosystems thrive on chemical energy rather than sunlight, challenging our understanding of what is necessary for life. Such discoveries even inform research about extraterrestrial life possibilities, as similar conditions might exist on moons like Europa or Enceladus. Finally, human exploration of the deep ocean remains limited. Less than 20% of the ocean floor has been mapped in detail. Every submersible expedition uncovers new species, ecosystems, or geological formations, constantly reshaping our understanding of the planet. The deep ocean remains a frontier as mysterious and vast as outer space, filled with wonders that continue to captivate scientists and explorers alike. These remaining two facts, along with the extreme behaviors and environments described, remind us that the deep ocean is a world of constant surprises. From ghost-like transparent animals to the crushing depths of trenches, it is a realm that continues to challenge our imagination and inspire wonder. The ocean's depths remain one of the last great frontiers on Earth, inviting future generations to explore, discover, and understand its astonishing secrets.